Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact sound card model and current driver version so you update the correct package. Once done, download the manufacturer driver for that model and verify the file integrity. Make sure you save the installer to an accessible folder. Next, create a system restore point and close all audio programs to prevent conflicts. This protects your settings and gives you rollback. Having these prerequisites lets you proceed immediately into the installation without guessing which files belong to your device. Run the downloaded installer as administrator and select Custom or Clean Install to overwrite remnants. This avoids driver conflicts. If the installer suggests removing the old driver first, uninstall via Device Manager, then proceed with the new package. Doing so reduces leftover registry entries. After installation, reboot immediately when prompted to let Windows register the new driver. Once restarted, open the Audio Control panel to set default playback and recording devices, adjust sample rates, and finish by thoroughly testing playback and recording. Use system sounds, a known audio file, and an app like a voice recorder to confirm input and output work. If you encounter problems such as no sound or distorted audio, first check cables and default device selection. Then verify Windows Audio and related services are running. If that fails, roll back the driver in Device Manager or restore your system point and retry a clean reinstall. One key tip: keep both the old driver and installer handy to switch back quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.